Algebra 2 Cram, New York State Algebra 2 Regents, Common Core, Circles, Question 1, Center Radius Equation of a Circle. Inbox me at memedicine@gmail.com to order complete study packages. Question 1, Equation of a Circle. Which is an equation for the circle whose graph is shown? Is it going to be A, x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equivalent to 16? Is it going to be B, x plus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equivalent to 16? Is it going to be C, x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equivalent to 8? Or is it going to be D, x plus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equivalent to 8? Definitely press pause if you need to, and I'll give you a moment to think. Okay, so this is basically the format of the center radius equation of a circle whose center is going to be located at the x-coordinate h and the y-coordinate k. And the circle will have a radius of r specified when you can use this formula to solve for the equation of a circle, okay? And a few things I want you to notice. In the problem, the center of the circle is basically located at 1, 2, then down 1, so 2, -1. And if you count the units, the magnitude of the radius is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 units, okay? All right, and so notice that in the general format for the center radius equation of a circle, you have minus h and minus k. This is in the base that pertains to the x aspect and the base that pertains to the y aspect, okay? But notice that you have a negative coordinate for your y coordinate. Therefore, if you were to subtract a negative number, you would end up with addition. So you can eliminate answer choice B, and you can also eliminate answer choice D as well, okay? And again, I just want to reiterate that the signs of H and K are opposite of those written in the equation. And also you have to notice that R, the radius, is going to be the square root of the constant on the right-hand side, and this is going to be we're taking the positive square root because when you take the square root of a square, you either get a negative or a positive answer, but since we're dealing with a magnitude, that's always going to be positive, so we're taking the absolute value of the square root of r squared, okay? So if you were to square 4 and not multiply it by 2, you would end up with 16, not 8, so you can eliminate answer choice C. And what's left is answer choice A, and this is our correct choice because 2 has a magnitude of 2. Well, no, actually what I meant to say was H has a magnitude of 2, so this is correct. And Y, or the K coordinate at the center, has a value of -1, so when you subtract -1, you end up with +1, and that's correct also. And last but not least, the radius is 4, and when it's squared, you yield a value of 16. All right? Again, the correct answer choice is answer choice A.